Hi there, this is Mackenzie with ParadeSmart. I'm just going to make a quick tutorial for those of you who are trying to check what the correct user is for each home. Obviously, we have our users over here in the Users tab, but sometimes it can be quite difficult to know which user is associated with the home. Sometimes you have extra builders from previous years, sometimes there are duplicates. Ideally, you have one builder for you have one builder profile for the builder that you're using, but sometimes that doesn't happen. You want to make sure that it's blue if you're looking in here. Let's say you have multiple, let's go figure out which one it is. So for me to do that, what I like to do is I like to go in. This is our example profile over here. And then I would click on the home, go to this preview tab, and you can see right here, this is the builder. Let's say I want to figure out what the username and password is associated with this builder account. I'm going to go click in here. This would give me more information. I'm going to click show advanced options, and then boom, right here under builder administrators, this is the builder that was created in association with the home. This is the username of the builder that would be allowed to scan for this home. So you want to use this username when you are logging in. You can click on it. There's the user. You can update it. You can update the username if you want to. You can reset the password to give to them. I hope that helps. That should clarify a little bit about how to confirm which user is associated with your home.